Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Perris local and long-distance movers near me. Our team helps with any type of long-distance move. Whether you're going one state over or to the opposite side of the country, we can make your move faster. When you have to move across the country, it can be rather stressful. We can take away that stress. Our team offers all kinds of moving services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a California moving company for your local move provides many benefits. Our team will make sure you get the best crew for your local move. We will provide you with time-saving benefits and you won't have to do any heavy lifting. Plus, you won't have to recruit anybody else to help you on moving day. When you hire 3 movers, we give you a faster moving day. You can save time and energy with our help. We make your moving day streamlined. Our professional movers know how to get you settled in faster. If your move would take you 3 days to complete, we can do it in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Perris moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.